Hey, guess what? There ain't no chicken butts here, but we do have an unrevealing. And I got my wife laughing because, you know, she always starts that way. But we have an unrevealing today of a new tool for TNC woodworking. And guess what? I believe it's going to be a game changer. A friend of mine demonstrated one of their smaller versions of this tool, and it worked so good, I thought, man, we've got to have one of them. So we went with a little bit bigger one to help us cut out them pumpkin faces and the Christmas decorations that are going to be coming out. So let's get to it. Today we will be unboxing our new laser engraver. It's by Acmer. Knife sharp. Might be sharper than my saw blades. So let's see what we got in here. Well packaged. Already starting out with foam. We have our manuals. We don't read them, do we? We might have to. Nice thick foam to protect it. Wow. All kinds of toys. The air pump. A material package. Should we see what's in there? Oh, we might need a knife again. Pieces of wood to test it out on. Metal to engrave metal. Acrylic. Cork. Several test pieces they send with it so you can try it out. Now we won't be doing that today. I have to set up a place for it, but we'll bring you along when I do. The laser module. An accessory pack. Let's see what we got for accessories. The plug-in. Keys to lock it to keep it safe if you have kids, so it couldn't be accidentally turned on. Acmer. We have, oh, hold it. Gotta do it. We have our glasses for when we're running that laser. Might be a few pirates around here. Comes with a nice little case to keep them so they don't get scratched up and tore up. Small tool set. More foam. I'm going to pull this out right now. Come on over. Check this out. This is the carriage it all runs in. And huge foam in the bottom to protect it. It's got a quick stop, so if you got a problem or something's happening or going wrong, you can hurry up and stop it. So follow along and stay tuned for the setup and a demonstration on how it works. See you later. Chicken butts.